I grew up in a small town in Kentucky in a very rural area. In my town, there's probably only about 5,000 people at that time. We didn't grow up with very much, grew up on a small farm. My mom and dad divorced when I was an infant, and my mom, she never got any child support whatsoever because she was very afraid to go after my father because he had means and she had none. She was afraid that he would take me away from her. When I got a little bit older, I went to see an attorney in our hometown myself to see if he would help my mom. He would not help unless my mother had money to pay him. I've been practicing now for over 20 years. Every once in a while you have someone that reminds you of your own family situation. And when that happens, you feel like you have made a big difference for that person. I just always thought that that's something that I wanted to do because I could see the power in being able to help people through the legal system. That's what made me want to go to law school.
We were just dropping off our kids at daycare and pulled up to a stoplight, and then we were hit from behind. We both just kind of looked at each other, trying to figure out what had happened at first. We realized that we needed to seek legal counsel early on when the other insurance company was not willing to pay for the therapy or not willing to admit that they were necessarily at fault. We've known Sean for a really long time, and we've known that his work is excellent. And so we contacted him for help.
Email, primarily through text, through phone calls, we communicated. He was very prompt and wonderful to work with. He listened to all of our concerns. We weren't sure what we were going to do with insurance, not paying for certain things, and he did such a good job supporting us through this entire process.
Working with Sean and watching him going through court, Sean is very empathetic when it comes to his clients. He touches on all different levels with his skills. He's right there with empathy, with his excitement, with hard times or anything. Sean is right there helping. He's helped me and my family numerous times. He's answered every single question. He made it so simple. He made it very easy. He made you very relaxed. Overall, Sean was just very easygoing. And that, to me, makes the best, when you have the best communicator on all emotional aspects.
Oftentimes when a client calls, they're not 100% sure why they are calling. We understand that every client has a story. I'm going to listen to your story. I want to understand who you are. By doing that, I believe I can deliver the best result possible for your case.